Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to manage the quick switch in your DJI Osmo 6 camera. So, at first you need to move and scroll from the top to the bottom so that you can see this menu. Once you're here, tap QS. Feature, switch between modes, start and pre-recording and lock screen. I leave it as here, feature and shooting mode, voice prompt, system screen switch, photo, video, super night, subject tracking, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, playback. And here, as you can see, we have feature and shooting mode. And quick switch button settings is nothing but the power over here, QS. And wait a moment. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.